Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I am going to demonstrate to you how does a phishing attack works. So phishing attack is a type of cyber attack in which the attacker steals your personal information such as username, password or credit cards and disguise themselves as a trustworthy entity. So it can be like a fake website that they can create and they can redirect you to this website, and you may be thinking, oh, it's a real website, and you may be filling the details, and as soon as you fill the details, those details will go to the hacker or the attacker, and then he can log in through it. So it is the one of the most common types of cyber attack, and it does not involve any actual hacking but just tricking the another person's brain into falling into this trap. So I will show you the demonstration of how this tool works. So today we are going to use a tool called Zshifar. Zshifar is the best phishing tool out there. So one thing to remember, guys, the demonstration that I am going to show is completely illegal and you can get into problems. So I'm just showing it to you for the demonstration purposes. So over here we will click on code and click on this as it what's yeah, just keep it copied. I will show you the tool. Over here they have given how to install it, so you have to git clone, you can copy this, then you on Linux, and then you have to click on it. Termix, you can also install a Termux, sorry. Termux is like a command line installed on a phone, so you can use that, and also you can use Google Cloud Shell. So let's install it. I have my on our terminal, so I'll go to the I will go to the terminal. I'll go to the downloads directory. So I will do git clone the simple URL, or you can copy from there, and I will hit enter. So it will get downloaded, cloning into Zshifar. So as you can see, it has been downloaded. We will do ls, and as you can see over here is a Zshifar. So let's do cd Zshifar. Then you will get it, then ls. Then over here you have to run this zshifar.sh bash command. So let me do it. And as you can see, it will start downloading, and it will say it will also install some packages automatically that it needs. So let it install the packages. So this is how the login page will look. So we have both the 35 options of website. So they are different commonly used websites by people in day to day. So this is how the attacker tricks you. So I'm going to choose Instagram. So I'm going to do 02. Then they give type of page you want to give. Like for example, you can give a traditional login page that the message can be the password has been changed, so like that, or like 100 followers login page or blue badge verification page. So I'm going to take the traditional login page, then select a port forwarding server. So I'm going to use local host. You can use any other. So do you want a custom port? So I'm going to say no. So this is the host over here. So this is the link that will be sent. That is the fake link that will be sent. And once you click on this link, I will show it to you. I will open the link. Then you will see that this is like a login page of Israel. It will look real, but in reality, it is a fake. If you take a look at the URL bar, it is different. For Instagram, if I open Instagram.com, this is their website. Look at the URL bar over here. and look at here how different it is, the URL bar. But this looks like the original Instagram page, so you will be tricked into this attack. So let me enter a password and show you. Like I will put the username as ERL and password as 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0, and I will click on login. I will click on those. After you have login, you will be redirected to the traditional Instagram page. But if I go back and see here the account, you gonna username, ARL, and the password. So this is how the phishing attack works. So these kinds of attacks happen majorly through emails. Like they will send you a fail email, oh your account has been compromised, oh your account's password has been, those can be fake. Or they can give you, like they will give you an instance that will create a panic in your mind. So as a result of it, you will be tricked and you will be a victim of this attacks. And this attack is very easy and is majorly occurred. So you need to keep in mind that you have to stay safe from this attack. So how do you stay safe from this attack? The first way to stay safe with this attack is to obviously look at the URL bar and have a look at the link always. The second way to prevent from this kind of attack is don't open some suspicious links from email, as they may not be legitimate. The third way is to use only HTTP HTTPS websites and not HTTP, means secure website. So if over here you look and click on this, it is not secure. See, side information is this. So this is not secure, but a original website like this have a lock symbol which indicates that it is secure and it's a real website. But for a fake website, you won't see a lock symbol, or for even for different browser, it may have a different symbol. So take care of that. And the third thing you have to do is and use only HTTPS websites only. Those click on any other links, and use a secure browser like Brave, which has option of loading only HTTPS website, and use a Chrome extension that can detect these kinds of attack. So this was all about the phishing attack and its demonstration. I hope you like it. Share it with your friends, and be safe from this attack. If you liked my video, please do like and subscribe to my channel, as it motivates me a lot. Bye bye. See you in the next video.